Is this you? If so, then don't worry. I've got some helpful tips for talking in English. It's not as difficult as you think. One easy way to start a conversation is small talk. Small talk is quite simple. Just talk about a general topic that anyone would have knowledge about. It could be the weather, a mutual interest, or an activity currently taking place.
Oh, hi.
Wow, that's a really cool guitar.
Oh, thank you.
How long have you been playing?
About 13 years.
I see. Okay, bye.
Oh, and don't forget to introduce yourself.
Oh, hi.
Wow, that's a really cool guitar.
Oh, thank you.
How long have you been playing?
About 13 years.
That's so cool. By the way, my name's Janvi.
Oh, I'm Hugo. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
These are topics that are safe for small talk.
And these are topics you should probably avoid.
Yeah, don't do those.
Now that you've started the conversation, keep it going with more questions and sharing. Remember to ask open-ended questions instead of yes or no questions. That way, you'll learn more about someone and have more interesting things to say.
So how are you?
Okay.
What are you going to do today?
Nothing.
What about lunch? What are you going to eat for lunch?
Something?
Let's try that again.
So what are you studying?
I study computer science. What about you? Are you a student too?
Actually, I'm a communication advisor in the Center for Applied English Studies.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Slang and idioms are what English speakers will use to express themselves sometimes. So learning these parts of speech will also help you in your conversations.
Oh wow, it's almost lunchtime.
Ooh, I'm so hungry. I could eat a horse.
Oh my god, why would he eat a horse? They're so beautiful.
Don't worry, he didn't really mean that he would eat a horse. It just means that he's very hungry.
I'm gonna go grab a drink from the vending machine. Do you want anything?
Yeah, could you bring me a pop?
Pop? Pop what?
Oh, sorry. I mean soda. Back home in Chicago, we call all sodas pop.
Oh, I see. What about the rest of America?
Some other states will also say pop, but then others will just say soda. Pop, soda, tomato, tomato. It's all the same thing.
Ah, I see. So what kind of pop do you want?
Coca-Cola, please.
All right.
Abby, what are you drinking?
Coke?
No, I'm drinking a Coke. That's a Sprite.
Same.
No, it's not. That's a Sprite and this is a Coke.
It's a Coke in Alabama.
Why is it Coke in What? No, that doesn't make What?
So there you have it. 3 great tips for improving your conversations in English. They are useful for not only making friends in daily life, but also networking in professional and academic settings as well.
So if you want practice with your English skills,
book a consultation with the speaking studio now.